In the past, the concrete needed for construction sites was directly mixed on-site before use. But why is manual mixing prohibited now? Instead, the raw materials must be sent to a mixing station. The mixing station will mix them uniformly and then transport them back to the construction site. It wastes time and manpower. But why do we still do this? This has to start from 3 points. Interested friends are welcome to click the like and follow buttons on the screen to support us. First, it is to ensure the health of the workers and environmental protection issues. The early construction sites can be said to be dusty because the raw material of concrete is fly ash. It is blown away by the wind while mixing. On the one hand, it causes serious air pollution. On the other hand, it seriously affects the health of the workers. Long-term inhalation of dust particles causes many workers to develop respiratory diseases. Not only that, some of the pneumoconiosis patients are because of long-term work in such an environment. Second, there is another most important factor. The quality of concrete is related to the quality of the entire building. After the concrete is mixed, there will be special quality inspectors to check the quality, to ensure the quality of the building. However, manual mixing is often not as accurate as machine mixing. From this point of view, the proportion of mixing stations is more standardized. On-site mixing is basically based on feeling. This will cause the quality of concrete to deviate from time to time. However, mixing stations have professional testers and accurate measuring instruments. They can mix various concretes according to needs. Quality control is also very strict. Therefore, manual mixing has gradually been eliminated. Finally, there is one more point, that mixing station saves time and effort compared to on-site mixing. And it also saves space on the construction site, because the raw materials for making concrete, such as sand and stone, etc., need to be stored at the construction site. But with the centralized storage of mixing station, it can greatly save space. Speaking of this, do you know how a mixing station makes concrete? Concrete mixing stations are mainly divided into 4 parts. They are sand and gravel feeding, powder feeding, water admixture feeding, and transmission mixing and storage. The powder here refers to cement, fly ash and expansion agent, etc. When the mixer is powered on, the system will perform initialization processing, test each silo and metering hopper according to the load-bearing capacity, then open the valves of fly ash and cement. Start the screw motor to transport fly ash and cement to the metering hopper. Open the control valves of the water tank and admixture tank. Let water and admixture flow into the metering hopper, and open the metering hopper door again after setting the requirements. Let the ingredients enter the mixer for mixing. At this time, just open the mixer door at the set time. Let the concrete enter the mixer truck and it is done.